Hi, today in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I will show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should tap to the sound and vibration settings section. Just to change notifications, ringtone or alarms, we should do it here in this section. Just to open it and select one from the available ringtones. If you want to adjust the volume of the media ringtones and alarms, we should slide to the left or the right side these volume panels with a finger. After that, if you want to use the sound assistant section settings, if you want to adjust media sound in multiple apps or to use multiple audio sources, we should use the switchers. Let's go back. To turn on and turn off silent mode or to silence media in silent mode, we should also tap on the switchers. Just to turn on and turn off the don't disturb modes, we should use the section. If you want to use the DND mode when device is locked, you should also tap on the switcher. We can notify about the calls from anyone. Now one contacts, start contacts only to notify about the repeated calls and to activate the shadow, the start and the end time of the DND mode. In additional settings, we can activate or turn off the dial pad sounds, stop sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot, uninstalling app sounds, deleting item sounds, charging, and the startup sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should click on the switchers. Let's go back. And also we got here the vibration for calls and vibration in silent mode switchers. Just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should click to the switchers. And in vibration on top settings, we can just turn itself to use light, medium or strong. And in sound effects, those options they are locked. We can just use the headphone for remote buttons and to signal buttons, but we should use the headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.